Hello everyone and welcome to the first lesson or the first session for Power BI. And in this session, what we are going to learn is what is exactly Power BI and why is Power BI used and what are its advantages and should you learn Power BI or not. So these are some of the things that we will be covering in this session. So let me get you guys started by sharing some of the dashboards I've created. So I think that will excite you, and then we can start from there. So I'm going to open the dashboard. So as you can see that this looks like a simple dashboard, but um, we have the options, right? So you can see I have written here. Click on the icons. So the icons look simple, but once you click on the icon, it takes you to the dashboard. So you can see the visuals are quite appealing and it is looking very beautiful. So what is Power BI exactly? These are the data and this is taken from Excel sheet. So the data looks like this. And when we visualize the data looks different and it looks interesting, right? So you can see revenue, gross profit, expenses. When the data are visualized in a very beautiful terms, beautiful and eye candy way, that way it catches the attention and we can get more from the data, right? So if you look at the button over here, you can see that it changes to expense. Now you can just look at the revenue. So all these features are provided by Power BI. I could go use more technical terms, but this is the channel that I will be focusing from beginner level to make you all the way to the expert level. By expert, I'm saying that you guys can also replicate or make dashboards like this, right? So this is just an example. There are, you can see there are four sections. You can just click on the button or you can just go back. Okay, so these are the options that we provide. And if you look at the other dashboard, so it is also looking pretty impressive, right? So as you can see that we have a lot of numbers going over here, and this is something balance it. Okay, so some income statement, and so this is something that is looking pretty neat, right? So this is what I will be teaching you, and at the end of this session, you guys will also be able to create something like this, something beautiful, something awesome. And just creating dashboard doesn't make any sense, right? So you need to earn from it or you need to get a job in the Power BI market right now, right? So the Power BI is very famous. So every company are jumping into Power BI. So in 2022 it was reported that more than it has more than 7 million active users, and so we don't have the recent data about this stat, but uh, looking at the revenue Power BI generates, we can only assume that the user have gone significantly higher, and you can see that more companies are opening vacancies for analyst or Power BI developer. So if you learn Power BI, you can not only get the job for as a Power BI developer or dashboard developer, you can even get job as a data analyst because I'll also cover the part how you can get up to there, right? So Power BI is software that is created by Microsoft and it is owned by Microsoft as well. So Power BI is a visualization tool. It provides multiple platform from where you can load the data and then you can create visuals in the system itself. It will provide you cross platform to load the data and yeah, so it is an basic uh, overview of Power BI. Mm, so where was I? Mm, yeah, so Power BI is a data visualization tool and it is an analytical tool. can be used for multiple purposes. So this is the overall how the Power BI looks like and what exactly it is. So this is going to be a quite interactive session, and I'm planning to make multiple videos from beginner level to the expert level. In the next video, I will be talking about how you can download it and which version do you want to download, and how you can install it, and how you can connect Power BI with other system like Excel or something like that. Then we'll talk more about data manipulation and many more things. And I'll take you from zero level to an expert level so you can find a job for yourself, and you can work as a BI analyst or you can work as a Power BI developer. So it will be totally dependent on you in which position you would want to work. But my goal here is that we will be uh, teaching you better ways to learn Power BI, and it will be a very simple and interactive session. I'll try to keep it as straight uh, point to the point as I can, and definitely I'll if you have something, or uh, if you want to learn something from in the Power BI session itself, you can always drop the comments, and I'll definitely look on the comments to help you more about these sessions. And uh, if there is anything like this, so this is the first time I'm coming on YouTube, so I'm not quite sure everything will go as planned. But if you think that something is missing, or maybe the audio is not working or anything, then you can definitely drop the comments and I'll have a look what we can do about that as well. So yeah, I think mm, this will be enough for our first video, and we will definitely talk more about how the Power BI works and what are the things that can be done in Power BI. And yeah, we'll definitely learn more about Power BI on the upcoming sessions. So thank you for your time, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Um, so thank you.